What is up, people? My name is Rox and welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. This video is sponsored by Fourtwentycheats. If you guys do want the cheat that is used in this video, then you guys can check out the link in the description down below. You guys can use code ROX to save yourself some money. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and check out the pricing on this external cheat, which I actually have an issue with. I will not lie. I mean, I think it's slightly overpriced. 1 week is 10 euros, 1 month is 25 euros. And lifetime is 50 euros. So lifetime is not too bad actually, but a month 25, I think that's overpriced. That's almost the price of an HVA cheat, and I think it's overpriced. But again, if you guys want the lifetime, it's not too bad. Moving on to the cheat itself. So the injection process was quite simple and easy and straightforward. You just have to enter a key and the cheat is injected. So here is the menu itself. First impressions, I don't like this logo. I think it does not fit here. It's too long. They should make a logo and just place it on here instead of doing the text variant, but that's just my opinion. Now I believe this cheat is external, so all of these write to memory, but they do have internal features, as you guys can see. So, you know, it's a little bit of mix of both, I guess. You have a configs, we have the Aimbot tab over here, we have the visuals tab over here. Let's disable the watermark, team box, let's do box, we don't need snap ties. Let's enable show bones. Is shit even getting enabled at the moment? No, it's not. Why is it not doing that? Oh, enable player USB, there we go. Alright. There is that. Let's do show distance. Yes, head fill. Okay. Name ESP, snap lines, head fill, armor, health bar is good to have, but we can change the thickness of the box. Yes, sir, that does work. We can change the line if we need bones. Alright. Moving on, we have bomb ESP, bomb box ESP, C4 thickness, enable world ESP, chicken, hostage weapon, projectiles ESP, all kinds of ESP. I will not lie, this is probably just an issue on my computer, but when I'm moving my mouse over here, the ESP feels very laggy. I will not lie, man. So as you guys can see, the ESP is just not accurate. I think they will probably fix this in the next update, or maybe it's just an issue on my software or my PC. I don't know, but why is it doing this? But if you're the developer, let me know, and the next time I play with this cheat, this should be fixed. Anyhow, moving on to the aimbot, we have aimbot enable. We can set the aim key, we can reset it, set the custom smooth FOV. Whoa, okay, hold on here. Shit, man, what the fuck is going on? Disable it, reset. I added my mouse key to oh, look, it just pops it open in there. Okay, I understand. Let's lower the FOV a little bit. Why is it still doing this? I don't understand. Disable it, there we go. Okay, well, trigger bots, let's just try this key, see if this works. Yes, that does work. Yeah, the this is unplayable, man. The ESP is not. Why is it auto shooting? I'm not even holding the key. It should not be auto shooting him. We have enabled recoil, whatever that is. I guess that's the RCS system. Let's try that. Yeah, first of all, I enabled the trigger bot, but for some reason it auto fires for me, which I have not told it to do. So that's something I need to work on. Obviously, it should not be auto firing, and I don't see anywhere where I can disable the auto fire. So that's something seriously they need to work on. Yeah, so far, man, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a big fan of this cheat. But in the misc tab, we have B-hop, anti-flash, FOV changer. And that's a little broken, isn't it? Yeah, a little bit. It works though. It's not too bad. Sensitivity changer, that's the first. But again, these are not recommended if you guys wanna, you know, be safe. Config tab, here we can change all the colors of everything, and we can also save our settings, and we can also change the UI color to something pretty cool. But that was it for this little short review. You know, it's a cheat. They need to work on this cheat, I'm gonna be honest. And now I cannot even move my fucking... Yeah, I'm moving my mouse, but my mouse is not moving. Did the FOV changer break it, or what the fuck's going on here? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you see I'm moving my mouse, but it's not happening in game. So yeah, I have to say I'm not a fan of this cheat. Straight up, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to 420, but you guys really need to work on this cheat. You guys need to seriously step up your game. Alright, so lastly, this is a little list for the developers of this cheat. which I gathered, and what they can find useful that they need to fix or add to this cheat. First of all, my mouse is stuck. As you guys can see, I'm moving my mouse here, but when I do it in game, it doesn't work, so I cannot literally look around. But the ESP is very laggy. So that's the first part. The ESP is not accurate, and there's something wrong with the FPS of the ESP. It's very laggy. You guys need to fix that if this cheat is to be usable. But besides that, the ESP part is actually pretty good. I do like the ESP. It's pretty good options. However, in the aimbot tab, you guys really need to add a option for the auto shoot, because at the moment it's auto shooting for you, and that's not how it's supposed to be. If I wanted to auto shoot, I will have that option for it. It should not be on default. Default should be the trigger bot key. I select the key and then it enables once I hold the key. That's pretty obvious. Second of all, I don't like this aimbot, man. I just don't know why. I mean, look at you see what's going on. Like, I'm not even moving my mouse, and I cannot even navigate in the menu because I enabled the aimbot. Like, I don't know what's causing this, but this needs to be fixed. It should be upgraded, and just take a look at the whole cheat as a whole and let someone test it properly. I think you guys might be mixing this up with other cheats and other games. I understand for other games the simple features are the only thing that matters, but in CS2 there's a whole lot of competition, and your cheat needs to really be perfect in order to sell. Anyhow, in number 3, I would really like to tell you guys should probably delete these exploits or make them read-only features, because I don't think they should be. I don't think you guys should have not safe features in your cheat. I mean, that's just stupid, isn't it? It's an external cheat. You might as well just make an internal cheat at that point. And third of all, or fourth, or whatever the fuck the number is, you guys need to add a proper recoil control system with X and Y features and a slide bar and all of that good stuff, so you can really customize your aimbot to your own preference. Fifth of all, please remove this logo over here, this text logo. It doesn't fit in. It really removes the whole point of the cheat. I mean, it just doesn't look good. Just make a logo, place it on here. Very good. It's way more professional. That's just my opinion. So you guys have a lot of things to fix. Like, I cannot even move my mouse at the moment. It doesn't really feel good, I'm gonna be honest, but hopefully you guys fix the features that I just told you, then the cheat will be pretty solid. And lastly, please lower your prices for week and month. It's necessary. No one is going to pay 25 euros per month for an external cheat. For that price, you can get a fatality cheat or even never lose or skeet. It's more expensive than skeet at this point. But yeah, if you guys do all of that, again, it will be pretty solid. Anyway, folks, I hope you guys had a good one. My name is Shrux, and I'm out. Peace.